आपको एक कहानी सुनाती हूँ। कहानी है एक ऐसे शहर की जो कि बहुत मिस्टीरियस है, जिसके बारे में शायद आपने सुना हो, लेकिन इसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में शायद आपको पता नहीं होगा। और इस कहानी में है एक लड़की जिसने अपना रास्ता खुद चुना, जिसे लोगों में और जगहों में दोनों में अच्छाई नजर आती थी। और इस लड़की के कदम इसे लेके गए इस शहर की ओर जिसका नाम है अनंतनाग। We always relate कश्मीर with the मुगल्स, बट क्या आपको पता है कि मुगल्स के आने से पहले भी कश्मीर एक बहुत बड़ा एम्पायर हुआ करता था। टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ कश्मीर वॉज तिब्बत, द्वारका इन द साउथ, ईरान इन वेस्ट एंड ओडिशा इन ईस्ट। और इस कश्मीर की आज भी एक आखिरी जगह बची हुई है जो कि अनंतनाग में है। The girl reached Anantnag around 3 p.m. and Nasir, her host, was supposed to receive her. While she waited for her host Nasir, there was a look of surprise people had when they came to talk to her. Like, what are you doing here? Haven't you read the news? They were surprised to see a solo female traveler visiting their city. They were amazed to know that she had come to find out if the reality matches with the news stories. Her host Nasir came and they started to walk towards his home. It was a very different feeling. She was happy to be in the so-called most terrified place in Kashmir. And she was looking forward to experiencing the ground reality. एक अलग तरह का सन्नाटा और शोर दोनों ही था। ऐसा लग रहा था कि बिल्डिंग्स हैड अ लॉट ऑफ स्टोरीज टू टेल। जो घर थे वो प्लास्टर्ड नहीं थे। बड़ा ही रुखा रुखा सा अंदाज था अनंतनाग का। गलियों से होते हुए वो नसीर के घर पहुंचे और घर पहुंचते ही हॉस्पिटैलिटी शुरू हो गई। नसीर की मॉम ने उस लड़की के लिए राजमा और राइस बनाया था और वो इमीडिएटली पहुंचते ही दस्तरखां पे रख दी गई थी। The girl expressed her interest in exploring the city as a local. Nasir's wife and his sister decided to take her around, and their first stop was Andarnag Temple. Andarnag Temple had no visitors other than just the armed forces camping there. Then they went to a mosque in Sherbagh, and then her host Nasir joined and decided to take her to the place where she desperately wanted to visit. Martand Sun Temple, one of the oldest sun temples in India. वो मूवी देखी है हैदर में एक गाना था बिस्मिल बिस्मिल करके। हाँ, वो जो गाना था ना, वो इसी टेम्पल में शूट हुआ था।
Located at Kehribal, 9 km from the city, the Martand Sun Temple is one of the most important archaeological sites in India today. Although relatively unknown, this temple complex was built around 500 AD and is a prime example of Aryan architecture. The locals believe that this temple has been existing here since the time of Mahabharata. Some say this temple was the residence of the Pandavas. There are a total of 365 religious images carved on the walls of the temple, one for each day of the year.
They had dinner outside, discussed life in Anantnag and stories of Anantnag, and then they went back home and prepared to go to sleep. And then the dreaded happened. The brand new iPhone stopped working. Your phone stops working in the most volatile place in Kashmir. That's precisely where I started worrying and panicking, because the girl in the story was me. It was midnight. I thought शायद फोन की बैटरी खत्म हो गई है क्योंकि the entire day I was shooting from my iPhone. but चार्ज पे लगाने के बाद भी the phone didn't turn on. I'll be honest, I was a little nervous because वैसे ही I was listening to lots of different stories and उसके बाद फ़ोन भी चलना बंद हो गया. I was so worried कि मैं रात भर सो ही नहीं पाई. And I couldn't believe that my brand new iPhone stopped working. This was a breakdown moment for me as I didn't know what to do because one by one all my gears stopped working. More importantly, as a solo female traveler, it is the worst thing that can happen to them. I was scared as hell because the next day I had to leave for my next destination. But I decided to stay put for an extra day in Anantnag and decided to get my phone fixed. Their family took me to a local repair shop, but he advised me not to get it repaired because it was under warranty, and if I would get it open, I wouldn't be able to claim the warranty. I lost all my recordings from Anantnag. I do not have a single footage of Anantnag only because I couldn't upload them and it's all gone. So what would you have done in such a situation? Would you have just gone back home or you would have still visited the places you wanted to visit in Kashmir? Do let me know in the comments below. And हाँ, अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ज़रूरत ही क्या थी वहाँ पे जाने की, right? Because I believe that sometimes it is worth looking beyond the headlines. I hope you liked the story, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't, make sure to click on that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Until the next one, follow your dreams and keep vagabonding.